Paolo.
Yeah.
Then Paolo Gante. One you guarantee, one your favorite.
Yeah.
Good speaker. And maganda. Time to go home now. And maganda. I'm going to make it home. So I give her the car key. She helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn off the light, I say my